Hi, this is Brian Wacko, Principal Geologist, Earth Extractions, and today we're going to take you on an adventure for the hunt for the elusive watermelon Chalcedony. We're up here in the Oglala National Grasslands, which is in northwest Nebraska. We're going to do a preliminary hunt today in the daylight using a hood. And then we'll come, if we find something or some interesting veins, we'll come back tonight and see what we can find. We do have our lights, we do have a barbecue cover, and we're ready to, it's still fairly moist for this part of the country. So let's go on an adventure. We are getting closer. Definitely have some watermelon here. You can see the calcite in the middle, followed by the Chalcedony on the side. These are probably three-inch pieces. If I scan over, I can see parts of the vein, marginal Chalcedony or calcite in the middle, making the red watermelon color. I'll take them back or throw them under the hood. But yeah, we're heading uphill, which means the pieces aren't getting weathered. And oh, here's a nice little one here. Oh, that was, yeah. And there you can see it. And that stuff will light up. So we not that far. We had to jeep in, find this, and maybe I'll get the hood out here in a little bit and we'll see what it looks like. Fossils, but they're definitely protected here. We found our first vein. As you can see by the hammer, it's not very thick. That explains why it's all weathered, but I can trace it up. Hopefully there'll be more that's covered, and hopefully in the middle it's been replaced by calcite. We see something interesting and want to rule out just what it is. So when you're prospecting in the daytime, best thing is a Weber barbecue hood. It darkens everything. So I've got a mid-wave, which is the UV color or wavelength that this vein, all the watermelon lights up. So I'm going to throw my hood over, get it pretty dark, and it's all very mild watermelon. It is watermelon in the center, definitely. And here it is. Here's the vein. It is watermelonish. Well, it is watermelon. You can kind of trace it through. But for right now, oh yeah, there's a nice little piece. But they're not the big display case pieces, but we're on the track. Here we are on our second excursion of the day, and tried a different area, and sure enough, some really nice veins going over an inch, and they are watermelon. Beautiful calcite. It's hardened. You can see by the relation to my hammer, and they're all over the place. So we're going to be here picking this up, and this will probably be a spot that we'll come back to tonight, because look at, it's all over. But again, the best stuff comes out of the veins. The other ones just get weathered away. We have found it. We did 2 trips, reconnaissance trips in the daytime. We're now back here at nighttime, and you can see the whole ground is littered with watermelon Chalcedony. Now what we're after are these specimen quality pieces, but in a second I'll show you what this looks like regular. But it was a well planned, well executed, and a well worth it trip here in the high plains of Nebraska. And here is our find. Watermelon Chalcedony. The Chalcedony is green. The calcite is red. And as you can see, the whole ground is just covered with this material. It's pretty incredible. There's not many places in the world that you can find watermelon Chalcedony except for up here in northwest Nebraska.